Hey, friends! Welcome back to another wild ride on Quiz Universe. Guess what? The Sonic the Hedgehog 3 trailer just dropped, and it's looking faster and cooler than ever. While we count down the days to its release, we've cooked up a 15-question emoji quiz, all about your favorite Sonic characters. Think you've got what it takes? You'll only have 10 seconds to answer each question, so no dilly-dallying. And let's get rolling. First challenge, name this blue speedster. It's Sonic the Hedgehog, of course. Can you guess this flying sidekick? Miles' tails, Prower, Sonic's loyal, two-tailed genius. Spot the odd emoji out. One doesn't belong here. Boom! You found it! Who's this powerful echidna? Knuckles, don't mess with those fists. Identify the black and red hedgehog. That's Shadow the Hedgehog, the ultimate life form. Who's your favorite, Knuckles or Shadow? Tell us in the comments. Who's this batty thief? Rouge the Bat, Master of Style, and Stealth. Which villain fits this emoji combo? It's Dr. Eggman, Sonic's nemesis. Which character carries a giant hammer? Amy Rose, with a crush as big as her hammer. Choose your ride, tornado plane or Eggmobile. Tough choice. What's your pick? Guess this fiery feline. Blaze the cat. Which robot hedgehog is this? Metal Sonic. Beep, boop, villainy incoming. Spot the odd one out. Which emoji doesn't fit? There it is. Nailed it. Which chill cat is this? It's Big the cat. Fishing rod not included. Last challenge. Name this psychic hedgehog. Silver the Hedgehog. Telekinesis powers FTW. You did it! How many did you guess right? Share your score in the comments below and challenge your friends to beat it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss a quiz. Pick your next challenge, keep the streak going, and we'll see you in the next one.